Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. As we discussed in our previous videos about indexing and slicing. Today we're gonna talk about what is if-else statement in Python concept series. As I discussed in my previous videos regarding Python operator, Python supports logical conditions here. Means as you see, we discussed regarding equal to operator, not equal to operator, less than symbol, greater than symbol. So these conditions are effectively used in if-else statement also, or various looping conditions. So need to be more discussed in our editor. Let's go with it. So in the if statement, how to use to in if statement? Means if you write an example, a equal to 30, b equal to 100. If you write it, b is greater than a. If you write it and print, if it is 100, then print it. Print yes. If it is really true, b is greater than a. Yes, b is greater than a. So it will be automatically coming yes. It is greater than a. So in this example, what we gonna understood? A is having lower value, b is having higher value. So if we put the condition if b is greater than a, we get the result yes, right? Before we proceed to the conditional statements, I inform you that one term called indentation in Python. What is indentation? Suppose if you want to write a equal to 33, b equal to 200. Okay, in a same line we're gonna write means if b is greater than a in a straight line without a indentation. If b is greater than a, right, without indentation you mention print, you get an error message here. How you get error message? Before you proceeding, please ensure that you put a 4-step space. Means if I write here b, if b is greater than a colon 4-step space, then print. Don't put exactly print below. It will be showing error. As you see in my code editor, it will be showing error. Why it will be showing? I am not taking any kind of space. If I am taking a space, it will be not showing error. Okay, let's move to elif statement. What is elif statement? Elif statement, if a previous condition is not true, means if condition is not true, then elif condition will be satisfied. Okay, how did you know? Put by example. We are putting by example. Suppose a equal to 30, b equal to 30. b is greater than a. If I write this, b is greater than a. Elif a is equal to b. I know that a and b value same. So last condition will be satisfied. Means elif condition satisfied. Upper condition not satisfying. Okay, so if condition is not satisfied, elif condition will be satisfied. Okay, so automatically the result will become a is equal to b. Okay. Now talk about else statement. So what is else statement? In else statement, as you can see, if upper two condition is not satisfied, last condition is else statement. Last condition will be satisfied. Suppose A is 50, B is 30. If I write, if B is greater than A, elif A is equal to B, second condition. Otherwise, I write else this condition need to be satisfied in print option. So I mentioned three conditions I mentioned. Okay, as you can see. So what will we check here? So they check A is greater than B. What I mentioned here, B is greater than A. So check B value, A value. B is greater than A? No. So it's not satisfied. Second condition, A is equal to B. A value, B value same. A value, B value not same. Second condition also false. So what to do? It will be not print. Next move to else condition, which it will be print last option. If it is mentioned here in else statement, means other condition, rest other condition, last condition will be satisfied. Okay, so move further. As you can see, A is greater than B, print result will be shown. Okay. Next move to our another concept. This concept are really helpful. Okay. This concept in most probably in Python for because of the time limit, people follow these conditions also. This is also helpful in various Python programming. If using the if else statement in one line. Did you know how to write in if else statement in one line? If you want to execute one statement in the same line, how did you write? One line statement you need to be specified. How did you write this expression? How did you write? Okay, so if I write in the same line, so how we will write in the previous? We mentioned in 2 lines, 3 lines, but I mentioned now in one line. If A is greater than B, A, B value I mentioned, A is greater than B column. In the same line, I mentioned print the value. If it is correct, then it will be print the value will be printed. Okay. Okay, if it is correct. Otherwise, what happen? Else, if condition satisfied, then it will A value will be printed. If else condition satisfied, B value will be printed. Okay. These are called ternary operations. These new terms will be most probably used in Python programming. So you must aware about it. And these if else condition also used in logical operator. We heard about logical operator and or operator we talk about in previous session. Logical operator. Now we gonna see one example using this logical operator. Okay, if I write here A equal to 200, B 33, C 500, I mention by using a logical operator. A is greater than B and C is greater than A. What will be print? If both the condition will be true, that full Condition means in the end logical operator, what we know? We know about both the condition need to be true. This condition A is greater than B, C is greater than A. These both conditions need to be true. True is important. Okay. So let's move further to our OR operator. So in our OR operator, what we gonna know? In OR operator, we know that if one condition is true, then it will be print automatically. One condition to be true. Okay, if I write this is in one condition, OR operator will be satisfied. Either it is A is greater than B. Okay, this condition satisfied. A is greater than C. Either one of them will be satisfied. You must ensure that. Use this logical operator. Most probably examples we upcoming C programs and problems. These examples are a very little tricky examples. We gonna use this. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I hope you like our session. Okay, keep watching our videos regularly.